What will you become when you grow up? An engineer, civil servant, air hostess, chartered accountant, or a doctor? You might have probably heard these questions since your childhood, right? But you are unable to decide what to do. When you are unsure, you ask others, what should I do? Which stream should I choose? And many of them might have just said, study anything for now, we'll see later. Later, you can prepare for government job, banking, chartered accountancy, or a medical stream. You can go into XYZ because it has more money, or ABC because it requires less effort and is more popular today. So, these are the suggestions that you get from others. In my journey as a career counselor, many students have asked me what to do after 10th, what to do after 12th, which stream to choose science, commerce, humanities, vocational courses, or shall I join any side by side courses? So there were plenty of questions which I used to get. Remember one thing, when you have different options, you won't be able to decide what to choose and what not to. Why? Because your goals are not clear. You don't have any clarity in your goals. Hello friends, I'm Sneha Jaiswal, certified career counselor. If you are also worried about your future career, what to do, what not to do, if these questions comes in your mind, then this video is very informative for you. So let's start. Today we are going to discuss about two things. First, the demanding professions in today's world. Second, the skills required for them. The world has changed a lot, and so have all the professions. For example, in marketing, 95% of the businesses have shifted from traditional to digital marketing to create more customer awareness, to create more brand awareness. Earlier, the marketers used posters, hoardings, banners, flyers, brochures, these all kind of stuff to attract the customers. But today, they are using influencer marketing technique. Why? Because digital platforms are more preferred by the customers. So, traditional methods that were popular earlier might lose its scope. Many small businesses, or what we call a startup, run their business through social media platforms. They gather customers from there. They generate leads from social media. So it's not wrong to say that in the next 15 to 20 years, many popular professions will lose their scope and many new professions will become more demanding. So, first of all, it's essential to keep learning new things throughout your life. So, it's crucial to develop your skills. If we see in a traditional way, there might be limited scope, like for science stream, doctor, software engineer, in commerce stream, chartered accountant, company secretaries, or in humanities stream, you will get to know about teaching career, mass communication, and such. But today, time has changed a lot. And with this changing time, you need to adapt yourself with the current and demanding professions and also develop your skills that will make you future ready. According to the current times, some professions in high demand are technology related work, animation, software development, game development, BPO, content writing, freelancing, graphic designing, video editing, event management, forensic science, project designing, and many others. Today, people are earning from home through content writing, video editing, graphic designing, and they are earning in lakhs. So, if you are interested, you can also go into sports. It has a lot of scope. Now, you might think, what is there in sports? It's just about playing. What if I'm not selected as a cricketer, as a footballer? What will I do then? But you're wrong. It has a lot of scope, like sports coach, sports presenter, fitness trainer, sports journalist, athletic trainer, sports event manager, sports marketing manager. There are so many professions in this field. So, if you want to go into any field, just find out its scope. What can be done into that field? For example, if you have studied management, you can choose corporate event management. If you want to go into banking or want to become a chartered accountant, company secretaries, you can select commerce stream. Likewise, if you are interested in finance, you can study the stock market, the mutual fund. Nowadays, there is a lot of scope in this field, like being a derivative analyst, research analyst, jobber, trader, chartist, and many more. You need to find out the scope in this field. So, firstly, I want to say that you can never fully master yourself in all the skills. As I said before, you need to learn something new every day. Keep yourself upgraded and updated. so that you don't become outdated. So try to develop your skills in all the areas little by little. And by gradually developing all these, you will become future ready. So, the most demanding skill that is becoming very popular nowadays are: Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Solving complex problems using AI model and algorithm for better technological output. Number 2, data analysis and data science. Collecting big data sets, interpreting the data sets, and then making informed decisions based on the results. Number 3, software development. Creation and maintenance of web application and mobile based applications. Number 4, cyber security. This field is in high demand for protecting data, protecting the system, and also maintaining shields against the virus. Number 5, cloud computing. Using software for cloud computing purpose. Digital marketing, one of the most demanding careers today. Use of social media, search engine optimization, email marketing are in high demand for both personal and professional use. Project management, planning the project, executing the project, and meeting the deadlines are the most important thing in this field. Blockchain technology. Creating and managing blockchain application and cryptocurrencies are also in high demand today. UX or UI design. Creating user friendly interfaces and experience design for digital products are also in high demand. Communication and networking. Speaking in public, negotiating with the customers, communicating with the clients, relationship management all comes into communication and networking field. In finance field, research and analysis is becoming very popular, like studying the financial data of companies, learning about the market trends, understanding the economic indicators. Some stock market skills include studying the charts, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. There were lots of skills. So, these skills are highly valued in various industries and can significantly boost your earning potentials. So, let me know in the comments which field you find most interesting, which skills you already have, and which skills you want to improve.